Download the Remine app and start using it quickly. Visit your App Store or Google Play Store. Type in Remine. Find the app, select Get or download it, install it, click to open. Once it opens, be sure to select the black button, I'm an agent. Once you select it, you will be prompted to place in your MLS email. It's the one associated to your Miami membership. Along with that, you'll need to enter your agent ID, which is your license number, and the number you use to log into the MLS or Miami Gateway. Once you're done, click Find Me. The system will be prompted to send you a verification email. Click to send the link, and then go open your Mail app. Via email, you will receive a notification from support@remine.com. Select it, complete your registration, open the application, and start to work in Remine Mobile. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.